Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, guys. It's going to be a really quick video showing you how to repair a leak with a Jubilee clip and a rubber washer or a blanking rubber. You can find these in 22mm female cap ends, that sort of thing, or you can even buy them separately, and they're always handy to have on the van. Any good plumber, any good DIYer or any good handyman should always have them spare on their van and ready to go. So what happens if you're working on a house and somebody comes running across the street and says, Danny, I've got a leak, I need you to repair it for me very quickly, it's coming through the ceiling, it's all falling down, it's happened in a loft, there's a split pipe or a drill through a pipe, I need your help quickly. But you've got no tools there. For some reason, it's happened to me, you've got no tools there, they may be on a different job, you may be just going for a quote. What do you do? Well, you should still have these spare on your van. And there is a little trick what you can do. I'm going to show you that now. So guys, you come across the street, you find a leak, you find a burst pipe, it's burst because of the cold weather, whatever it is, it's in a loft, it's coming through the ceiling, it's a nightmare, you've got no tools with you, you've got no caps, you can't cap the pipework off, she needs the cold water, she needs everything running. What are you going to do? You happen to have a Jubilee clip. A normal standard one like this, it's got a slot in the top and it fits around the pipe like so. However, if you do get one with a key, they are much easier to use. Now first what you have to do is establish where the stopcock is, or isolation valve, whatever. You need to stop the water, whatever means possible. So we stop the water on the isolation valve here. Look at that, it stopped. It's amazing, isn't it? Then you undo your Jubilee clip like so. Wrap it around the pipe. Start to tighten it up. Again, if you've got one with a key, it's so much easier. And then while you can, you slot your rubber washer in there over the hole. Make sure it centralises the hole. You do it as tight as it'll go. My chin coming out because it's getting that tight. Like that. My chin's out. Little Bruce Forsyth. Turn the cold mains back on and we're lovely. We're nice and safe. It's a temporary fix, it's not a permanent fix. You're going to come back later on when you've got time, or you get the parts, or you come back the next day. This is by no means a permanent fix, it's just simply to get somebody by. So there you go, guys. That's what we're going to look like, to give you a nice quick close-up of it. You can use a smaller Jubilee clip, but as you can see, this one does the job. So I hope you have learned something today, guys. Remember, it is a last resort. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.